Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into Lowe's and checking out some of their holiday tool deals. We're going to specifically be looking at some of their hand tools and kind of the accessories and things like that. Some of the toolboxes. I'll go into some of the battery packs and combo kits that they got going on, but we're not going to go into all of the power tools because that can be a video all by itself. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know down in the comments. But if I forget to show something that you guys know about that's going on right now that's a really good deal, please let us know down in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. They have the Swanson 7-inch speed square 2-pack down to $10 from $20. Pretty good deal on that. Here they have the 262-piece Craftsman socket set down to $150 from $250. They're going to have a lot of different variations of this, but here's kind of what's included on this set. You will see certain ones like this down to $100 as well. I used the Craftsman Versa Stack for a little while at work, and honestly, it's not bad. Obviously, it's like the same as the T-Stack. You got the 2-drawer system here, which is actually on slides. It actually works pretty dang well. I used it for maybe 2 years. That one's down to $37 from $47. They got a bin organizer here down to $25 from $28, so a little bit of savings on there. And the Versa Stack System Tower down from $140 to $100. Some of the other socket sets, you got a $50 set here down from $75, as well as the 20-piece set from $36 to $20, which honestly, these Craftsman sets are only really worth it at the discounted price. They have a lot going on for the Craftsman Trade Stack series. This is one that I didn't even see when I was looking at the Versa Stack. Bigger drawer system here. It's nice. It's also on slides, but the plastic feels like it's, I don't know, a lot more, I wouldn't say rigid, but like hard. I feel like it would crack and break a lot easier, but some pretty good deals on that stuff as well. Kobalt mini pliers and screwdrivers, multi-bit screwdrivers, $7, down from your typical $7, so great deal on that. Got some knee pads down from $30 to $20, and then down from $15 to $10. Just some light use ones. You got the Kobalt utility knives. You got a couple different variations here. You got a 3-pack. I mentioned these before. 3-pack for $10 down from $15, and the speed release version at $10 from $14. You also have a 3-pack of their utility knives, the lockback utility knife in both pink and blue, down to $15 from $20. Here they have the Kobalt 27-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. This is like a good kitchen drawer little multi-bit screwdriver, but $13 down from $22. And they also have the, I mentioned this last time, this is the 2-piece set of the high-vis 25-foot self-lock tape measures, and it's auto locking, but then you can actually lock it down. So you can pull it out, it holds, and then you actually push down on the red lever and it locks it in place, which is nice because some of these auto locks give out when you get the tape out further. But that is $13 down from $17. Not a bad deal on that at all. $13 for all of these different air chucks or gauges here. The 55-piece socket set down $50 from $70, so a little bit of savings on there. Here's their 158-piece. This is definitely your like kitchen drawer style set. Includes a lot of miscellaneous items. Not a whole lot of savings on that either. Some pouches down to $8 from $13 and $10. There's the different styles. Some of the Kobalt pliers are on sale from $25 down to $17, $22 down to $17. Locking pliers set. And their 3-piece groove joint pliers. The 6-piece mini plier set down to $17 from $22. The Kobalt 69-piece screwdriver set. A lot of brands sell things, basically identical. This is down to $30 from $40. I definitely wouldn't pay the $40 for it, but not a bad option if you're looking for a cheaper screwdriver set that includes quite a bit. And then they have their 18-piece screwdriver set here at $20, down from $32. $20 isn't a bad deal for this. Here we have the Kobalt 8-piece drive accessory set, a lot of extensions, adapters, swivels. But this is at $28, down from $60. Definitely not worth it, $60, but not a bad option for impact rated accessory kit at $28. Here they have their EVA foam set, 238 pieces. There you can kind of see everything included. Not a bad set for $160, down from $220. If you can afford the space with the EVA foam, I don't think that's a bad option. Klein with USA made flush cuts, $10, down from $13. Here we have the Klein ratcheting wrench set, $60, down from $80. There you can see the SAE set, both at $60, down from $80. I mean, I guess it's worth a try at $60. I wouldn't pay the $80 for it. Let me know your guys' thoughts on these. We aren't going into a lot of the batteries and power tools, but they do have a lot of deals going on. We could do a whole separate video just on power tools, but it can just be a lot and it can be overwhelming. If you know what you're looking for, look for the deals specifically on what you're interested in. But not some bad deals here if you run the Craftsman lineup. So I already showed you guys the overdrive set, but they do have the normal version 159 piece set, and that is at $100, down from $150, where the overdrive is at $150, down from $230. Same thing with the Kobalt batteries, $30 for the 4 amp hour, or $40 for the 4 amp hour battery, down from $70. They definitely have these switched, the image. $20 for the 2 amp hour battery. I also picked one of those up, and then you can also get it with a charger or just the dual charger. Here they have the Kobalt 2-piece set at $150 with a battery and charger. It's for the impact driver and drill, or the 1/2-inch mid-torque impact with battery and charger at $150, down from $230. Here they have a couple deals on the Metabo compound miter saws. This is like a weekend warrior DIYer, $120, down from $180. Light duty use every now and again, I don't think that's a bad deal. They also have a bigger version. Deal on the DeWalt, down to $280 from $350, and then the Metabo 12-inch down from $350 to $220. They also have a deal on the larger Bosch at $670, down from $730. This is on sale, but this is something I didn't even know existed. The Klein Tools 3-piece demolition driver set. Interesting. If you guys knew this existed, let me know down in the comments. Anybody ever use this? $30. When looking at the power tool deals, just be careful. They hide a lot of things, and they're not going to warn you about what you're purchasing if there's something free. It's very unlikely that they're going to tell you, so you got to look for these deals. It's like it's a scavenger hunt for these deals. So obviously you're going to have a ton of power tool deals for all platforms through the holiday season. $80 for the Kobalt 24-volt crown stapler, down from $109. Free Kobalt hand tool when you purchase a Kobalt 24-volt 2-pack lithium-ion 4 amp hour battery pack with charger. Another one up here. Select 24-volt tools when purchase a 4-tool brushless power tool combo kit. Free Craftsman 20-volt tools when you purchase a V20 20-volt max 2-tool combo kit with soft case. This is $200, down from $240. Craftsman 6-tool combo kit at $250, down from $330. 2-tool power combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger and a soft case at $100, down from $150. A deal on the Klein Tools magnetic color-coded multi-bit nut setter set, 6-piece set, $28, down from $33. Up to 50% off all of the Skill Power Core 12-volt stuff. I don't ever use Skill, don't have experience with Skill, haven't heard great things about them, but you know, for those that just need a tool here and there, maybe it's a good lineup. Let me know your guys' thoughts. So here in the battery section, you're going to see tons of these little guys. Basically, free tools from Craftsman when you purchase batteries, free tools from DeWalt when you purchase batteries, free hand tools from Kobalt when you purchase batteries. So just tons of different deals going on. To 50% off all Flex 24-volt power tools, which I don't think is a bad deal. They got a lot of great stuff, a lot of great prices, and some big savings on some of these. And then with the Metabo, you get a free 2-pack 2 amp hour battery and charger with a purchase of one of these select tools. The little bit holders. Here's a set from DeWalt, $16. They have the wrong sticker up here, but it is on the other side, $16. You can get these from tons and tons of brands. I have one from Hypertough, much lower quality than this. It's not bad at all. A couple of different bit sets and drill bit sets, $11 down from $15. These are always good to pick up around the holidays. Get yourself a good selection, keep good stock. No matter what brand you go with, most of them have deals going on. $11 for this 7-piece stubby wrench set in both metric and SAE. Unfortunately, it is really hard to see the sizes included. 14, 15, 18. So it's definitely going to have some really weird sizes. And it doesn't state anywhere on here what sizes are included, but $150 original price down to $80, so almost half price on the Kobalt 24-volt impact driver as well as the drill. And these are kits as well. So you are going to get the 2 amp hour battery and the 85-watt charger. I don't think that's a bad deal. $8 for the Kobalt 2-piece screwdriver set. This is their performance screwdriver. You got the hex bolster, kind of a weird shape on the handles. $8 down from $11. Their impact socket set's at $40 down from $70. You can see the metric set here, 10 through 25, no skips. I mean, $40, that's actually pretty good. Another Craftsman socket set, 61-piece mechanics tool set, $40 down from $60. Definitely only something you should pay when it's on sale. The Craftsman high-vis tape measures and screwdriver set. This is down from $25 to $18 and down from $16 to $11. $25 for the 3-piece mini pliers set. I have a video on these. I picked these up as well. Honestly, for 25 bucks, it's a pretty dang good deal. They also have 2-piece sets of these as well. Then you got their 5-piece set at $20 down from $33. A little bit thicker comfort grips. And then basically the non-comfort grip version of them. Just your standard dipped handles. Here's the 2-pack of the Craftsman folding utility knives. I actually like this design. This is down to $17 from $22. Here's a Craftsman VersaStack socket set, 63-piece set, down to $40 from $80. Definitely not worth it at $80. Here's the Craftsman 11-piece overdrive wrench set. These are at $50 down from $75. 6-point design metric set. Looks like that's all they have here. But it is available in both metric and SAE. And then their 154-piece Craftsman socket set, the overdrive, is at $150 down from $230. Here they have the 1/2-inch drive and 3/8 drive torque wrenches, down to $55 and $65, which I think is a price that you typically see pretty commonly throughout the year anyways. But for click style torque wrench, I don't think that's a bad price at all. The Klein blackout screwdriver set, made in the USA. Same thing as their normal screwdrivers, just completely blacked out. So if you work in low light areas, probably not great. I picked them up anyways. Awesome. Well, I love the blackout stuff. And $15 down from, well, it's valued at $22. Same thing, I picked up the blacked out wire strippers as well at $20 down from a value of $22. Here they have the Klein 3-piece set. This is a test kit with multimeter, receptacle tester, and non-contact voltage tester. And this is at $40 down from $45, so a little bit of savings on that. Not bad for a little 3-piece set. I literally just picked these up like 3 or 4 days ago for work. Lightweight gel knee pads. It saves me from ruining my overalls when I'm kneeling down outside on the asphalt. And they're actually pretty dang comfortable. They got elastic straps that clip on, so they're really easy to use. And so far, obviously, I've only used them for a few days, but they work well. $25 down from $33. Here are a couple of the testers in a 2-pack and a single outlet or receptacle tester at $22 from $25. And then they also have the non-contact tester with the receptacle tester at $35 down from $45. The blackout multi-bit at $15. I don't know, it says limited time deal, but it doesn't give if there was an original price, but I just really like that blackout stuff, even though not great for engine bays and dark areas. The blacked out flick blade utility knife at $15. I don't think that's a bad deal, but they got a lot of deals going on for utility knives right now. The Klein mod box, always a great option. I had the mod box, ran it for quite a while. I was really impressed with it. It's just the work that I do. It isn't really, nothing I use for work is compatible with the mod box. But overall, I think the mod box is one of the best systems out there. And they got some really good deals on the stuff right now. More of the Klein stuff. Here we have the flip socket with Phillips bit, 5/16 1/4 inch. This is at $8 down from $10. And the 16-in-1, I also picked this up. This is at $23 down from $30. I think sometimes online you can pick it up for 20 bucks. So it's a pretty decent one, but they do have a 17-in-1 that's the exact same. They just include another flip socket with it. I don't know why Klein has so many different sets like this. The impact rated multi-bit screwdriver. Not a bad little setup here. This one is on sale at $30 down from $40. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know I am not a big Craftsman fan, and I am not a big Craftsman toolbox fan. They are priced too high for the low quality that you get, but these little 4-drawer service carts, I think they did a good job on. These are on sale at $300 down from $400. You have a nice little side compartment here, little pull handle. The material on it feels actually better than most of their toolboxes. Drawers are soft close. You get some deeper drawers down below. Nice big open area. On the side you have a pegboard as well as outlets, USB-C, USB-A. Here are the color options available. I mean, honestly, I was pretty shocked when I saw this. I mean, it's not the best quality part out there, but at this price, I don't think it's a bad option, and it surprised me as far as being Craftsman. And here's the purple one over here. Here's the 242-piece set at $100, down from the original $220. Definitely only worth it at the $100, but a good set for $100 if you just want to have a decent assortment. Just careful, because a lot of these sets include a lot of the 1/4-inch bits, which make up most of the set. I mean, I'm not going to lie, every time I walk up to a Craftsman box, I am just not impressed. This thing looks rough. Holy cow. I got sheets of paper thicker than that. Oh. But it's $228. Here they have the Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set. Now keep in mind that a lot of this 302 piece is going to be filled up with these 1/4-inch bits and miscellaneous items. Horrible selection of stubby wrenches, but not a bad selection on sockets. And that is at $100 down from $150. Well, that's it as far as the deals going on at Lowe's right now. There are obviously a lot of power tool deals that are going to be going on. I'm not going to go into all of those because there's just so many, and a lot of it can get really confusing. If you guys are into a certain power tool lineup, then specifically look at those. It can kind of be overwhelming if you're looking at everything. But if you guys want to see a video dedicated just to power tools, please let me know down in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.